So yesterday I spent a whole day playing around with Claude Code and I built an entire software product from scratch. Yes, the software is already live and it has its first paying customer. So in this video, I'm going to walk through everything I did to build the software tool that you can see right here. Before I show you how I built it, let me just show you what it actually does. So this is the landing page, as you can see right here. It's dark, clean, and mobile first. The reason for that is because a lot of traffic for this product is going to come from TikTok or Instagram, so I needed to look good on phone. So first of all, you can see my before and after right here. That's me 6 months ago and that's me right now. So this transformation is literally what inspired me to build this. You know, when I was coming up with an idea I could build, it literally was the first one. Now let's go through the actual app. I'm going to simply tap upload your selfie right here. It takes you to the screen where you upload a front-facing photo and enter your email. Pretty simple. Now it's processing. It takes about 30 to 60 seconds, by the way. All right, results are in. Now here's where it gets really good, okay? The hairstyle recommendations. Each one has name, match percentage, a photo, and an explanation for why it works. And check this out. There's your show your barber card. You can literally screenshot this and hand it to your barber. Then there is facial hair guidance. Scrolling down, I can see full skincare routine. Then there is style direction. It tells you what aesthetic suits me, what key pieces to wear, what colors look good on me, and what colors to avoid. And finally, product suggestions. Now here's the thing. Not all of this is free. You can see right here it says unlock your full glow up plan, $2.99 per week and $99 per year. Or you can invite 3 friends to unlock it for free. So that's the full product. Okay. So essentially what the software does, it helps you to improve your looks. Now let me show you how I built this whole thing. Now the first thing we need is a landing page. I gave Claude one detailed prompt describing exactly what I want, the headline, the section, the vibe, dark premium, mobile first, and I uploaded my before and after photos. And this is what it generated. By the way, I'm going to leave a link to Claude Code inside the description alongside with other resources that I'm going to mention in this video, okay? In about 30 seconds, Claude built a full landing page with 5 sections: hero, my before and after transformation, feature card, a results preview, and a final call to action, all from one prompt. Okay, we have a landing page, but right now it doesn't actually do anything. I needed to take a selfie, send it back to AI, and get back a full personalized analysis. By the way, the most difficult part right now is probably knowing what to do, right? So you can literally just ask Claude, just give an app that you want to build and ask Claude saying, yo, how do I start building this? And they start giving you step-by-step instructions and then you just go along with it. And it helps you literally to build it from scratch. That's exactly what I did, by the way, here as well. So I simply told Claude to connect the Anthropic Vision API and build me an upload flow with a processing screen. And this is the part that blew my mind. From one selfie, it returns over 20 personalized sections. Your score, your face shape, celebrity match, hairstyle recommendations, skincare routines, a diet plan, a 30-day challenge. And when you're building it, you can literally keep asking it, yo, what would make this app even better than competitors' app? And they just scan the internet and gives you suggestions. This just wild. So going through this, I just kept back and forth with, Claude Code, as you can see right here, as I'm showing you, some issues come up. So you ask to fix it and it literally fixes it. After that, the app works, right? I have the working app. It analyzes your face and gives you your full plan. But right now, everything is free. I need to make money from this, of course. So I simply told Claude to set up Stripe payments with 2 plans, $2.99 per week and $99 per year, and build a smart paywall that shows users just enough for free that they want to unlock the rest. By the way, this is the idea that Claude came up with as well. So I'm just randomly asking them questions. I think the most important thing is just asking good questions and giving Claude the good feedback so they can come up with amazing ideas for your app. And by the way, I'm planning to make a more in-depth Claude tutorial in the future. So drop a comment with a type of app you want me to build. So the 3 tiers shows your score, face shape, celebrity match, and a couple of teaser hairstyles. So this is what Claude came up with. So they told me that, yo, this is the best idea to give this thing for free and then the rest is under the paywall, right? But the top 3 hairstyle matches, the full skincare routines, the diet plan, the 30-day challenge, all of that is locked behind the paywall, as you can see. And it even came up with an idea to have this option to invite 3 friends to unlock everything for free. And the way that Claude came up with this idea, he literally scanned all of my top competitors, saw what they're doing, and gave me the suggestion. So they built in the full referral system with just one prompt, essentially. So at this point, everything is done. Literally, the app is working and there's a way to accept payments, okay? One thing I mentioned is that obviously everything is not completely set up fully the way I want to, but it's almost ready to go live. All right. So at this point, everything is 90% finished to go live for that first MVP test, minimal viable product test. The AI works, payment works, the paywall works. Now I just need to actually get this thing live so people can use it. So first, I published all the code to GitHub. This is another thing you need to do. So the Claude Code gives you everything in like a zip file. You just download it, extract it on your computer, and then you push those files, you put all of those files into GitHub. By the way, the actual Claude Code just instructs you on how to do that, right? Step by step. They give you whole instructions. Don't worry about it. Then I went to Vercel, connected the repo, and it automatically deploys every time I push an update. So the way it works, you put everything into GitHub, you connect GitHub with Vercel. Imagine Vercel is like your hosting platform. So what you get from Claude Code is the entire code for your entire app inside the folders, inside the files you download. You put those files into GitHub and you connect GitHub with Vercel, and Vercel is where you host your entire thing, and it becomes live. Now you can literally connect the domain name and go to that actual website you just built through Claude Code, right? Claude Code doesn't allow you to host the website yourself. And me coming from absolutely no coding background, that was the most difficult thing to understand. Okay, so where is everything gonna live now? I know how to build websites on Shopify, on Lovable, because they are already there. So what you're building is there. So that was a difficult thing for me to understand, but again, Claude Code helped me to do this as well. Just like that, the app is live on the internet. Anyone can open it right now, upload selfie, and get the full analysis. But nobody knows about it yet, right? Obviously, nobody knows it exists. So I need to get people to actually try the app. So I thought of making a UGC style video to promote the app and post it organically. Something like, this app told me how to glow up, the kind of content that really does well on TikTok or Instagram. And for that, I'm going to use a platform called Arcads, which lets you generate realistic UGC style ads using AI actors and scripts. I actually recently made a full in-depth tutorial on how to create realistic AI UGC ads with Arcads. So if you want the full breakdown, I'll leave that linked in the description down below for you guys, okay? So I posted this on social media, and within the first 24 hours of launching my new app, I got the first paying customer for $2.99 per week. So officially, I am a startup founder now. And it's crazy because this app didn't even exist a day ago. I'm gonna leave a link to Arcads AI and other resources I mentioned in this video inside the description and pinned comment down below. And if you want to see a more in-depth tutorial on how I generate realistic looking AI UGC ads with consistent characters, make sure you watch this video right here. It's gonna walk you through everything, the prompting, the way you generate those ads, and the way you make them look realistic and consistent. And with that said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.